We'll get back to our meteorologist, Robert Suhr. Robert, it's been a really nice stretch of weather. I mean, we've had a lot of sunshine, some warm days, but you say we've got some fall changes in store.
Big time. First of all, rain's going to be falling from the sky, and then it will really feel like fall finally as we get toward the end of the week and into next weekend. Big time temperature drops, which we'll talk about here in just a second. First, we'll talk to you about what we're looking at with this forecast, and it is a busy one. We're going to start the first part of the week just like it's been the past 10 days or so. Very peaceful, very warm, lots of sunshine, nothing to worry about. And then by midweek, we're watching some pretty heavy rain that now looks likely with a cold front. And then behind that cold front, temperatures will free fall, and it'll really start. We'll go from above average to well below average for our temperatures. Here's a look at our rain chances over the next 5 days. Now, Tuesday, 20%, most likely after midnight Tuesday and into Wednesday. Wednesday looks like an all-day washout. Then Thursday, leftover rain and showers, sprinkles, drizzle, that kind of stuff. And then we start to bring the sun back, despite the colder temperatures on Friday. Right now, things are nice and quiet. Sunset is underway. Just some high-level cirrus clouds across the Lowell area, where in northwest Arkansas, temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 80s. Top Kavanaugh Hill, you can notice a couple of red leaves here. Everything's starting to change despite the warm temperatures. The foliage is starting to get its act together, but it doesn't feel like fall foliage weather with temperatures right now in the 90s in many locations across the River Valley. Big picture shows mostly quiet conditions. We've got some thunderstorms here, Texas, Oklahoma Panhandle, and then more widespread activity across the Intermountain West. This is the front that's going to slowly kind of creep its way toward our area and bring us all that rainfall by the middle part of the week. Like I said, Monday and Tuesday look great. So we're starting the hour by hour here Tuesday evening. Notice, though, by early Wednesday morning, here comes that shower activity. Now, this is still 3 days out, so the models will change a little bit, but just keep this in mind that we're looking at plenty of rainfall come Wednesday. Rain of varying intensity. Could be moderate, it could be heavy at times. We're not expecting severe weather, but the flash flooding risk will be there because of the pockets of heavy rain that will be here throughout the day on Wednesday as that front gets closer. That front's going to provide enough lift. The atmosphere out ahead of it's going to be nice and juicy, and we're going to get copious amounts of rainfall, it looks like, throughout the day on Wednesday, and that could linger through the first half of our Thursday before things finally start to quiet down and we start to clear out, but not before we run the risk of flash flooding, which is why parts of the area under that slight risk for excessive rainfall, that's rainfall that's heavy enough to exceed flash flood guidance. And because of that, we're expecting several inches of rain. These numbers will also be tweaked and adjusted by the Weather Prediction Center in the days ahead. 60s tonight, more 80s and a few 90s tomorrow, but these temperatures a degree or two cooler than we were today. And notice we're starting to step down as that front makes its approach. And then notice how much temperatures really cool off as we get toward the end of the week. Right now, Wednesday and Thursday are impact days. We'll see if we adjust those as we gain more confidence in the forecast. And then Allison in the River Valley, about the same thing. Plenty of rain chances Wednesday and Thursday, and temperatures struggling to get into the 70s for highs by next weekend.